Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can generate leads and close more deals with the Income real estate website marketing. Okay, so right here, you just have to visit the website first. So just open any of your web browser. So using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out incomerealestate.com. Okay, after that, you will be redirected to this website. Okay, and the next thing that you're going to do is to simply click on the get started option. That's right. Okay, and then here you just have to choose I need a personal website or I need a team office website. So for example, I just need a personal website. Just have to click on it, and then right here you have 3 steps to finish. So the first one is your personal information, and then you just have to select the plan after that, and then the final step is about finalizing your information. So for the first step, so here we have sales representative, broker, or broker of record. Okay, so after choosing, you just have to type out your name, your first name, your last name, your brokerage name, your email, your office phone, and then your cell phone, and then your country. Okay, and then your province. After that, you just have to proceed to the next steps. Okay, so since we are not from these countries or regions, what I'm going to do in this video is just going to discuss to you the real estate website. So right here we have real estate agent website, office broker website, unbranded condo website, corporate franchiser website, custom landing page, listing TV displays, and then we have MLS IDX coverage. So let's start with the real estate agent website. All right. So right here, you can set your website apart. Okay, here. So the full featured real estate agent website. So we have single agent and team website options. So you can build a single agent partner or team website for the same price. So the website content management with unlimited custom web pages. So unlimited content page management allows you to deliver an abundance of information to your website visitors. And then responsive web design, widget application management. We have comprehensive event calendar, mobile website, automatic daily real estate news updates, then free lifetime products upgrades. And then here, as you can see, we have the ability to self-manage website from secure back-end office, theme management of a fully customizable design, and then SMS real estate marketing. And then we also have testimonials page, content ready, mortgage calculators, and then website language translations, and multiple domain syndication. So now let's focus on the generate and capture leads. Okay, so right here, you can attract real leads to convert into clients. So first is we have lead generation forms and real estate marketing tools. So you can get to know who is visiting your website with these enticing forms. And then we have visitor registration. So you can control the amount of listings your visitors can see prior to registration and track which listings they view. And then new mobile CRM app. So transform your workflow with the Incom Connect mobile CRM app. Manage your business from anywhere. Stay connected with clients. Search listings and streamline communication with built-in calling, texting, and activity tracking features. And also customizable newsletters, postcards, and drip campaigns with detailed reporting. So you can create branded drip campaigns, newsletters, and postcards and learn who has expressed an interest with helpful tracking tools. And the next, lead alert email notifications. So instantly know when you are contacted by a lead. And then custom form creation. You can create your very own engaging forms to capture important details about your website visitors. And here we have built-in real estate landing pages. So if you're thinking about generating more leads through your website, so the Income has developed an exclusive solution to convert convert your prospects into leads in 2 easy steps. We also have Google Analytics integration. So easily integrate Google Analytics coding to track additional details about your website visitor behavior. And then we have detailed traffic reporting. So learn how many new visitors your website receives monthly, and then complete client management system. You can manage your contact from one easy area and organize into convenient groups for sending email campaigns, and then import, export, and store contacts. So you can upload contacts in bulk or one by one easily and store them with detailed notes. And then we have lead management and follow up tools. So manage every lead captured by your website and easily create detailed follow up reminders to help you stay on track. And then the daily alert service for buyers. So buyers can sign up to receive automatic daily email alerts showcasing properties that match their search criteria. All right, so the next one we have how you can increase your online traffic. So you can make your brand known to the World Wide Web. So here we have full social media integration. You can connect and share your listings, blog posts, content, and more across 250 plus social media platforms. Then we have for YouTube, we have automatic YouTube video creator. So automatically generate a branded video slideshow for each agent listing and uploads it into your YouTube channel. And then we have blog forum. So establish yourself as an expert in your field by sharing insight and engaging in conversations with your website visitors. And then we also have QR code generation. You can generate unlimited QR codes to guide prospects to your website or to your contact details from offline sources. And then secure real estate agent website with https://SSL. And then you can get noticeable SEO boost with Google when your real estate website with SSL certificate goes live. Then we also have here built-in search engine optimization tools. So get to the top page of major search engine results with the built-in optimization tools for every web page. And then search engine submission, Google, Yahoo, and then Amazon and Bing. And then your website will be submitted to all major search engines upon startup for indexing. And then we also have SEO friendly design. So all website themes are built in compliance with Google standards and with SEO in mind. And lastly, we have the listings indication. So your listings will be advertised across the internet to ensure your clients' listings are gaining maximum exposure. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.